Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers All-in-One Chat Widget to your BigCommerce website. Chat widgets can help you connect with visitors faster, improve customer support, and make it easier for users to reach out from anywhere on your site. So, let's get started. First, log into BigCommerce and go to the App Marketplace. Install the Popper widget from there, and once it's installed, the Popper dashboard will open automatically. From the dashboard, click on Widgets, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for All-in-One Chat and open the widget. Once the widget opens, you'll see different app selection options. You can also update app details. Under the Content tab, you can customize things like the content, chat window, welcome message, and button label. In the Settings tab, you'll also find options to change the position, alignment, and turn the notification badge on or off. Lastly, under the Style tab, apply different styles and enable/disable animations. After you've finished customizing everything, click Publish Widget. Once it's published, copy the installation code. Now go to your BigCommerce page builder, add an HTML block, and paste the code inside it. Then click Save HTML, and after that, publish your website. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.